Good morning, everybody. It is 10:40. Pete and Ash just left to go shopping about half an hour ago, and then they're coming back for me and we're all going out. I'm getting ready over there. My computer's over there and you can hear Steve's vlogs going. Just lit my candle. Now I'm going to finish getting ready. But I'm going to sneeze. Oh, bless me. I sneezed first, but I couldn't even get the words out. That is how loud I sneeze. I do not have a dainty sneeze at all. I have friends that are like, smells like a little dog. But me, big and bold, right, Rox? It is 10 to 12. Louis just came to join me because we're sharing a little packet of potatoes, aren't we, Rox? Roxy's had one, Louis had one, I've had two. Because I don't want to eat something, because when they get back we're going to the mall and we'll probably all go eat together, because this will be the first time the three of us have gone out in 2-3 weeks, the three of us. So, but I would like to go try and finish some Christmas shopping. We may all have to split up a little bit to get some things done, but what are you going to do? Anyway, oh, Ashley's texting me now, so maybe they're on their way home already. I've got my PJ bottoms on, but I'm all ready to go. I've got my, everything else is done. This is as good as it gets. Let's see what she says. She says should be back around 12:30. 40 minutes, that's awesome. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm going to go eat these with the puppies. Oh, look at that face though. I hate leaving them alone. I do, I feel really guilty. Last night, Pete said, "Do you want to go out shopping?" Well, the thing is, he was beat tired because he has been on the go constantly. Friday he was at work, then he went and did a Christmas party, then he got up early yesterday and he went and did a wrestling tournament, then he came back. And I said, "No, you've got to be really tired at this point." He goes, "No, I'm not." 2 seconds later, he was storing his head off in this chair for 2 hours, so I'm glad we didn't go. And then Ash got home from work. She slept for a couple of hours. She's feeling much better, thank you guys. And then she went to the movie last night, which she absolutely loved. She said it was good. Her boyfriend was a bit disappointed. I think people get themselves so psyched up for something because they've known it's coming for a year. And then you hype it up so much and the media hypes it up that then you get disappointed. But Ash really liked it. She's just sad because there's one character that she loved is no longer. I don't know who, but she's found another one and now she wants one. You Star Wars fans will know. I don't know. Right. Oh, and it's Vlogmas Day 20. How could I forget to say that? Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Guys, this is it. Christmas is in 5 days. The big man is coming. I hope you've all been good. I haven't. I missed it. It's a nice view of the skyline. So these two are home now. We're heading over the bridge to go get some shopping done. Right?
Yep.
Right? Yeah. She got herself a fancy drink. It's called a spiked cherry limeade. Wait, is that the one you got?
I got it. Perfect time.
You know, maybe I'll just have you send it to me rather than me take one as well. Which one did you get, hun? The spiked cherry?
Yeah.
So it's,
I'm going to put on Instagram the way to do Christmas shopping.
a fruity blend of Stoli vanilla vodka, cherry vodka. Oh, she's got 2 vodkas, lime sour mix. Blah, blah, blah. No? These ones are warm.
It's mine.
He got his beer. And then, of course, they got the hot dog thingies. Want to see the reaction. See what she thinks. Is it good?
I can taste the lemon. Let me taste the vodka. So
I got the Alice Boss. No, I was going to say Alice Springs, wrong restaurant.
Yeah.
Usually you guys drop stuff on her.
Yeah.
It's usually mom dropping stuff on her.
Pete got a burger and Ash got little burgers. Oh, and we're at Dave & Buster's. The joys of shopping and driving. Oh, we got out alive. Policemen are out. Yeah. So we're heading home. It is 5:30. We're going to go get coffee though from our Starbucks.
It's like 9 o'clock.
It does. Well, you two went out earlier.
Yeah.
I had a leisurely get ready this morning.
I heard the knock on the door. I'm like,
No! I've changed my mind. She's not worth anything. Some pretty lights on this street.
Abby's Walk.
This was Abby's Walk. Every night and every morning. Oh, don't we have to put a channel on? You know we're going to park outside, right? So we can get the...
Yeah, that's where I came this way.
Thank you.
95.3.
Ah, yes. I love it. Mind your way.
6 to 10 and 6 to 9. They stop at January 6th.
I need to do some Snapchat too.
Oh my god, this is a crazy frog. I remember that used to be the thing when I was in middle school. How do they like sing it to music?
Don't know. Are you videoing it?
Computer controlled and then do an app probably.
Oh, didn't know they were in the car in front.
Yeah, before they were because they were parked on the. So it's the whole street.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yay! Ashley loves doing. I am renting her out next year. She's rapping. Louis laying on the blanket behind her. Look at him, Louis.
Boy.
Yes. And Roxy's watching me like, what are we doing next?
So we moved to the United States in 1989.
It's gonna be fun to clean up after.
It was tough.
Starbucks is doing these cute little holiday ugly sweater cookies. They're ginger cookies with a little bit of icing. Ash said they're really good. Everybody, hope you're doing well. It is 5 to 11. I'm going to end the vlog for today. We couldn't put a video, no vlog in the mall because the mall was absolutely packed. Pete and Ash went off and did some stuff. Ash and I went off and did some stuff. Pete and I went off and did some stuff. But it was absolutely mobbed, as it would be. It is the last weekend before Christmas. Like we keep saying, outside, it just doesn't feel like Christmas out there. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because it came so quick or what. It's like, I just don't know. I don't know if it's because everybody's working so much that there's been no time to casually go and shop. It's just, whenever it's shopping, it's like rush, rush, rush. But anyway, we're getting there. I have a little bit left to do, not too much. They're going to let me know if I have Katie tomorrow. Katie's having a procedure done in the morning. It depends how she feels. Tuesday and Wednesday I'll have her. No, Tuesday I'll have her. Wednesday I don't have her. And Thursday I've asked them if I can't have her. I've asked them not for me to have her. I don't know how to word that. I've asked not to have her because I need to get the house ready because everyone comes here on Christmas Day. That sounds very complicated. But I'm going to love and leave you for this evening. I hope everybody's had a brilliant weekend. Whatever you guys did this weekend, I hope it was a good one. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night, guys.